or just to my YouTube channel. Today I'm not gonna make a really long video. It's just gonna be a couple of beautiful clips like of this river and the mountains and just the nature. It's really beautiful. Hey guys, I was just casually walking around here looking for something to film. Then I saw this beautiful plant and I looked at it. And then I saw 3 massive caterpillars. It's just so crazy. When you get old enough, or if you're old enough to come check out Iceland, you should really do it because it's just so beautiful. After a beautiful day of walking out in nature, and this is the view from the car. It's just so amazing.